Hi guys, and welcome back to Cash Bright. Imagine, if you will, that you have $1 million to spend. How would you spend it? It's a question that we all ask ourselves, and we all have our own answers to that question. Some of us would be ultra cautious with the money, whilst others would go wild and get maximum pleasure by going on a major shopping spree. Regardless of how you personally would spend it, it's a great mental exercise to imagine yourself with this level of spending power, because it can really motivate you, especially when you're having a bad day or feeling the fatigue in chasing your dream. So let's all spend 5 minutes every day thinking about how we would all spend $1 million. And to get the ball rolling, here are a few suggestions. Number 1. Invest in dividend-paying stocks. Now I have to confess that I was tempted to simply suggest blowing the money on having a fantastic time, with fast cars, lavish houses, and a luxurious lifestyle. But these days, $1 million doesn't get you as far as it did in the past, and the opportunity cost of doing this versus sensibly investing the money would be criminal if you think about it. Now, the stock market is a curious beast, and one needs to be wary of its exaggerated moods before investing, because of course your money is always at risk. But choosing solid companies which pay out regular dividends is a smart way to use your money to create more money. You just need to choose a simple investment strategy, and you can generate an income without lifting a finger. If you would rather avoid choosing stocks yourself, there are also plenty of mutual funds to invest in as well, such as index funds, which track the performance of a stock index such as the S&P 500. A great way to grow your $1 million. Number 2. Invest in real estate. Another way to spend the money is to buy up some houses and apartments. I personally would buy multiple smaller value properties rather than the more expensive ones, because this would tie up less capital and decrease my risk exposure. These properties can be rented out to achieve a typical return of between 5 to 12%. Real estate is a no-brainer when it comes to investing because it's a tangible asset and less likely to wildly fluctuate in value when compared to other assets such as stocks. You can buy properties around the world and choose areas where you are most likely to see growth. If you manage to invest well, it is more than possible for you to even double or triple your investment over the course of 5 to 10 years. However, real estate can be more of a headache as it requires active management, particularly if you go down the rental route. Number 3. Start a business. What about tapping into your entrepreneurial spirit and using that money to capitalize on a gap in the market? Now, this is probably the option which carries the greatest risk, but also the greatest reward, because you, my friend, are in the driving seat when it comes to creating a profitable business. But do bear in mind, if your business fails, your investment fails and is sunk with the business. If you've done your market research and have a clear plan for a business, then by all means go for it. But if you're even just a little bit fuzzy, I would say for you to opt for options 1 and 2, because it's a well-known fact that most businesses fail within their first 2 years of trading. So in summary, I think I would carefully invest $1 million so that I can become as financially independent as possible. But there are so many other ways to spend or invest $1 million. What would you do? As always, let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching. If you found this video to be helpful, please leave a like and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. And until the next time, stay sharp, stay hungry, and stay cash bright.